welcome back to my channel. It's still me. So I really wanted to see like what this store was about. It's called Cider. You've probably seen it all over the internet, and I was so curious about it because their stuff is like pretty cute. So I just wanted to see like what the quality was like and all that stuff. Today we're doing a Cider haul. I bought a lot of things, so let's like just dive into it so I don't take too much time. I'll tell you right now, we're not starting off very strong, and honestly, for the sake of my wallet, that's probably a good thing. I was looking forward to this kind of zip up because I think it was last year Lehigh posted on her Instagram, I'll put up a picture of her wearing honestly exactly the same like zip up. Well, the pattern was exactly the same. She posted it. I really wanted it. I went to the site. It was sold out, of course. And then when I was getting ready to make my order on Cider, this appeared and I was like, oh, it's meant to be. Like, I put it side by side, exactly the same. Now here's the issue. I think they use wool in this, and I think I'm like one of the people that might be allergic to any sort of like percent of wool. So it's definitely itchy on my skin, honestly. And the wool like looking fabric makes it look really cheap. I mean, it looks cute from far away, but like up close, it just looks so bad to me. Also, I expected a full length. And I mean, I do have a short torso, so like it's kind of hard to, like this is the bottom of my stomach, so it's kind of hard to see how cropped it is, but like it's literally like under my bra. Looking in the mirror, looking in the camera, it's cute. I don't know. What do you all think? Because like I don't know how I feel. But let's move on to the pants. I'll say I do like the pants, but I was expecting them to be like a straight cut, like a straight fit, and they're more like a wide leg. But the fit, like on my waist, perfect fit. Like actually no gap in the back, which is like unheard of when you have like a butt waist to hip ratio. So I was very surprised by that and actually happy about that. Honestly, I really can't complain about these pants. They're like really good. The fabric is like a heavier fabric. They have pockets. They have this cute like tortoise looking button, which I love because I hate when they do like black on black or like the color on the color. And I think for like wide leg pants, my butt still looks pretty good and my waist looks snatched, but like I think if it was straight leg, it would like not eat my butt as much, which I'm like holding it now. I'm like, yeah. But honestly, if they made these pants in straight, I would want them. I think the length is good for my height. I think if you're any taller than me, they'd definitely be too short. Okay, so I'm like looking at my order confirmation, and it definitely said that these are straight fit jeans. I mean, straight fit pants. These are not straight fit pants. Like, someone needs to update their product title and description because I feel like this is like false advertising. Okay, next is this like little white crop tank with like a kind of curved edge, or maybe it's not meant to be curved and it just fits me curved. I like that I can wear a bra with it because it's like a thick strap, so I can have extra, you know, cleavage. The fabric is really soft and like it fits well, and I almost feel like I should have sized down in this because since it's this kind of like, ooh, like it's supposed to look like good, to like make you look good, like you could afford to size down one just so it really just grabs everything in. I don't think I love it. It doesn't fit like amazing. Okay, so I thought these pants would help the idea of this look. It was a great idea, and I wish I had on a better bra to make it like up more, but like it was a great idea in a sense. It's just like the execution will drive me crazy because like this is supposed to lay flat, and it does, but like if you move it like crinkles and it looks wonky. My fiance said I look like I was censored, so he thinks he's so funny. But this is like one piece, so like you have to like get into it like it's a tube top, and the back, like you can put it over your head. Let me show you. So this one, great quality, idea was there. You know, if this fit just right, I would be in love, because when I first saw it, I was like, wow, this is like sexy, this is hot. But overall, quality at Cider so far, so good. Okay, so this is the top that really made me want to order from Cider prior to seeing the Lehigh replica. So I have it kind of tucked in now, but let me take it out. I love this top. I love it all the way buttoned up. It is so soft. The quality is amazing. It's everything I thought it would be and more. I think I would wear it like this with the kind of trimming part tucked in. It's super stretchy, so the fact that they said this was a 0X, I mean, honestly, I think it should be like bigger, but I think it can fit someone really fitted. This still has some space in it. I will say the only issue that I have is that it is short on the wrist. I don't know if that's enough for me to like try to exchange it, because I do like the fit overall. And I don't know if I'll notice it that much. Plus, I feel like if I pull it down, it's good. But when I tell you this is butter soft, it feels so good. Love the collar. I love a buttoned up shirt. Very, very soft. Like, I want to keep this on for the entire video. And it'll probably be like my go-to top. And it just, it's smart. Is that what they say? Like in Britain, it's like, it looks smart. This is so far my favorite thing that I've tried on. Here is the next top. And in any other world, I would love this top, but the fit is ill. And this top looks cute on, but the issue is that it hits me at a weird spot that, like, you know, grabs onto my, I guess, love handles. And it could be the pants I'm wearing, but I don't think so. Could be my bra, whatever the case is. But also, I wish it was longer. It's like just, so like this is my belly button. It's right here. I wish it wasn't as cropped as it is. These pants just make me look so snatched. Here's the up close of the fabric, because it's like kind of see-through. That's why it looks black, because you're seeing my bra. Okay, so this is a pair of overalls. I don't think I've had overalls since I was a child, and it's hard to find a good pair of overalls, including these. So I fell in love with the design. It's like navy corduroy with like embroidered flowers. So great. But as you can see, the freaking straps are so long. Also, I feel like this middle part is too small. Maybe it's my like chest size. And then also this is like a wide leg fit, and I think for overalls that I would love like a more fitted look, so maybe a straight leg or a slim leg rather than a wide leg. And this wide leg isn't like too wide. It's more on the slimmer side. It's more on the straighter side. And the quality is pretty like decent considering the price. It's just, it's an ill fit. Like, as you can see, it just falls off, right? And usually I've seen with these kind of overalls, they usually have like an inner button in the back that you can like make the strap shorter. But this one, I think just because of the price and stuff, they don't have that. Here's an up close of the fabric. Here is how it fits on the bottom. Fits perfectly at the waist, just bigger down here. So I have no idea if just like the knits at Cider is just A1, because this also feels like butter. It's cute, like it's a good neckline. I actually don't mind the pattern. That was my biggest fear, and I'm very picky with patterns, so I thought I wouldn't like it, but it's cute. It has a like slit on the side. You can wear a bra with this, which is like so good, so your chest could touch your chin. Overall, it's a cute dress. I don't love it, especially like I don't really like how it holds on to everything. And of course, it's like love your belly, blah, blah, blah. But you know, it's just things you don't feel comfortable with. And so like it kind of hugs like every little roll or whatever, which is very interesting considering the fact that the fabric is so thick. I had to turn down the lighting so you can see the pattern more. It's like a village, or it's like a scenery. Like, look how great my chest looks in this. So yeah, I don't think this is for me. And honestly, this is a haul where pretty much everything has fit me, so I'm very excited about that. Okay, we're gearing up on the last item because like I have not eaten dinner yet and it's almost 9 o'clock, so we gotta go. Okay, so this is great as a top. Like, check out the top part, like from titties up, like from my boobs up. This is really pretty. But like boobs down, I thought it was gonna be a fit and flare, especially with like this kind of band, this band at the waist. But I should have known better because it's knit and it's hard for knit to be like fit and flare like that. But it just kind of goes down. This is a good length actually. It's like a mini, but like it covers my butt. The fabric quality is so good. Like, I think that's really what I'm learning about Cider. So this is what it looks like without the top piece, just a tank dress. So this is the last clothing piece I have, and now I have like one accessory to try on, and then it's a wrap. And then the last piece, I saw a girl on TikTok do like a body Cornish dress and then put on a waist chain. This is so fake. I mean, I know it would be fake, but like it looks very fake. Oh, I think it's calling me fat. You know, when I was looking at it online, I thought that they would give enough chain, like enough chain that it fits a lot of people. Okay, I hope you can catch the vision considering the fact that this is like so small. But it was just supposed to hang and look cute, and I wanted it to be a little lower for illusion waist. So my overall thoughts of Cider is that I love the quality. I think I have to poke around some more in like styles and stuff, but I love like the different pieces that they have. But after this Cider haul, the quality, like this is almost like Shein price, but the quality honestly is better. And I do have a few nice Shein pieces, but all the knit and even the pants that I put on, it was great. Like the quality is so good. Let's start with my least favorite thing so we can end on a good note. Least favorite thing is probably this inner dress. I do like the top sleeve half. This is probably my least favorite thing in terms of like fit. Color is great, fit sucks. Maybe I would say the like overalls, because I didn't like the fit, the cut, it's too small, the sleeves, that one had a lot of issues wrong with it. But fabric beautiful, like it wasn't the best quality. But anyway, so those are my least favorite items. Oh, and the belly chain thing, because like why is it so small? And then so I'm just gonna sleep on this, but as you can see, I have some weird attachment to this, so I can get over the fact that it's cropped. Actually, I don't mind. Like, I think the fit is great, especially it's like a good crop and like it unzips enough. The biggest issues for this, it has to be this black fabric, just looks so weird, and also it's a little bit itchy. So I'm gonna sleep on this one because honestly, it's just so freaking cute. And then the item that I love the most was this top. I'm keeping this for sure. Wish the sleeves were a little longer. Thank you for watching this haul, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Why was I waving like that?